A true visionary has the courage to fulfill their visions by acting on them and possess the belief that the impossible can be done and that it must be done. Mr. Vijay Singh Bhandari was that such visionary who embarked on a journey to devote his lifetime to the needs of the needy. The Rotary Club was the perfect medium for Mr. Bhandari to channelize his visions and set a platform to contribute in several areas of importance which were mostly neglected. A team of 40 international doctors flew in a FedEx plane to voluntarily undertake the establishment and setting up of equipments along with implementation of medicinal needs for the poor and needy in Kolkata. Mr. Vijay Singh Bhandari was instrumental in completion of the project by actively playing a role by helping to clear customs and several government guidelines which were quite inadept at those times. His collective coordination with delegates overseas helped create a launchpad for disbursements of invaluable facilities to the needy. Eradication of polio was one such initiative which involved setting up of several polio camps across the city. Mr. Bhandari was in close association with Dr. Devi Shetty. Together, they set out on a mission to fulfill the gap of a holistic eye care facility by successfully setting up and inaugurating Shankar Netralaya. As the president of Hope Foundation, Mr. Bhandari set out to improve the healthcare status of underprivileged and marginalized communities, with particular attention to maternal health and child mortality. Mr. Bhandari played a crucial role in the commitment to end human trafficking and uplifting communities through the education of girls and women living in extreme poverty. With the same motive of improving the well-being of underprivileged children, Future Hope facilitated accommodation for such children. Mr. Bhandari was closely associated with many international delegates for several institutions which focused on the welfare of underprivileged communities. He played a crucial role in channelizing and mobilizing of funds.
Let us all together thank God for this beautiful occasion where we can all together proclaim the joy of spreading peace, the joy of loving one another, and the joy acknowledging that the poorest of the poor are our brothers and sisters.
We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give others. Mr. Bhandari's life achievements have been a perfect example of these words and a huge inspiration for the generations to come.